gonna give him a 10 and we'll drag him out because he followed the instructions first. When I say the magic word, we are gonna earn and everyone turns and talks dragon. When all of you tell your neighbors the answer to this question. Decompose. Let's see. Break up a number.
So
we need a partner for that. Would
Okay,
you like to talk to Barney or to Muhammad?
so use the place value to decompose factors. Why do we use place value? You forgot someone. Oh, I can see there.
Place value.
Let's say someone's name that's sitting here and start talking to them. Who are these kids? Who's that? How can you get Kaisha's attention and let her know that you want to talk to her? All right.
What we're gonna learn
Christina wants to talk to you.
Decimals.
What's decimals?
It's like fractions.
Like this?
It's a little different. Mohammed, what did your group say? What did your group say when you were answering the question? How did you answer the question? The question on the board. What's the question on the board? Mohammed, can you read it?
Oh, it's 30 ones plus 12 tenths.
That's not the question on the board. The question on the board is why do we use place value to decompose?
It's 106.
Because, I don't know.
Okay, what do you think, Mohammed?
Because decompose, like breaking a number, breaking something,
Uh-huh.
and like
160.
either something rising or like breaking apart.
Uh-huh.
¿Tú sabes cuál es?
Yeah, we break apart the number and we put it in different numbers.
Okay.
6 times 5, so that's
If you can hear my voice, please match me. If you can hear my voice, please match me. If you can hear my voice, please match me. If you can hear my voice, please match me. So if I take your equity stick, you're going to report back on your partner's thinking. Why does your partner think we use place value units to decompose the factors we are multiplying? All right, that kid's not here right now. Christina, why does Kaisha think we use place value units to decompose factors we are multiplying? I appreciate Angie's listening eyes, ears, and heart. Ava's as well. Erica's as well. Okay. Ziona, can you hear Christina?
What?
Can you hear Christina? No. Yeah, I don't think so either. So Christina, report to the whole team. Everyone on team 207 needs to know. Yeah. And so who thinks that multiplying our tens and ones separately makes multiplication easier? Okay. Ziona thinks that, Derek thinks that, Alexis thinks that, Ariana thinks that. Okay, so we're going to write down. Why do we use place value units to decompose factors we are multiplying? Kaisha thinks. It makes it easier. To find the answer. I wonder, did anyone hear any ideas about why it's easier to find the answer when we use place value to decompose? Let's see. Oh, I have two hands. Ava, why is it easier?
Maybe because they want us to figure it out before we go to before we do our homework and stuff.
Right. Tell me more about that. Why does using place value units make it easier to figure out? Okay, so Ava agrees that it's easier to find the answer. I will pay a kid who's able to tell me why it's easier to find it with place value units. Okay, Donna, let us know. Why is it easier?
Because you do more math and you get smarter and you count more.
Okay, so you say that we are counting by, tell me more about what we're counting by and how do place value units help us count?
Place value discs help us count because you add with those place value discs.
Yeah, and so what are the two place values that we're counting by in these multiplication equations, Donna? What are the two place values that we're counting by as we're solving these multiplication problems?
We're tens.
We're counting by tens is the place value, right? And then what's the other place value that we're counting by? Ones. And so using place value helps us count by tens and ones separately. So we count separately by tens and by ones. And so this is Donna's idea about why we use place value to decompose factors so that we are multiplying. Who has another idea about how counting by ones and tens separately helps us multiply these larger numbers? I will pay. Right now I'm paying Kaisha and Donna. Who else is getting on the board? Yeah, no. Yeah. Okay. And so it's what kind of numbers are people do that one more time. What kind of numbers does place value decomposing help with? Like, do we need to decompose our factors if we're multiplying by 5?
No.
No. What kind of factors are we decomposing, Nelson? Derek, I'll take your hand next. Nelson, what kind of factors do we decompose? Like, why do we decompose 12 and not 4?
Because 12 has 2.
Yes.
4 only has 1.
2 what's?
Numbers.
Yeah, 2 digits. So it makes it possible. Makes it possible to multiply larger numbers. Okay. Thank you, Nelson, for sharing that idea with us. Derek, you were super patient.
I think it was in like 6, 7, like if I make like 6 and like 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 6, right?
So okay,
And if
we
we-
can break down 6 into 3 plus 3. Yes.
And then we can do like 3 threes,
Mm.
and it's gonna make 9. And if we add another one, it's gonna be like 12.
Okay, and so we can use our skills of counting by tens, right? Because so I know that you talked about how many 3s, right? In the examples up here, we don't really share how many 3s, but we do share how many 10s. So could you talk about counting by tens, Derek, and how it helps us solve these multiplication problems?
Like 4 threes, but it's like
Yes.
And plus two ones is gonna make 12.
Yes. And so, for example, if we're solving a multiplication equation by counting by a number, is it easier to count by tens or to count by 12s? Which one's easier? Raise a quiet hand, Zion.
Tens.
Yeah, and so we can use place value concepts to count by tens instead of counting by the factor. So we get our answer by counting by tens. All right, I'm gonna pay kids who are on the board. When you get back to your desks, I would like you to open up the problem set and get started with that. Raise a quiet hand if you can tell me the first page of lesson 6, and there is a dragon dollar in it for you. Okay, decompose, break up a number.